So with that, I have a new show and tell to tell you about. I'm actually wearing it. This pattern is called Kinship, Kinship. It is a collaboration of Olga, Jazzy, and Stephen West, which means it's very graphic and it's easy to knit. Super, super easy. Knit, purl, basic increases, and slip stitches. That's it. So it is a wrap. You can see, of course I did mine in green, orange, and brown. I did mine out of Plied North Avenue, and here I'll show you what it looks like when I hold it out. There it is. And there you go. So the orangish color in here is Cotty's, and then the green is Chartreuse from Plied's primary collection, and the brown color is brown out of Plied primaries. All of it is in the North Avenue base. The pattern was designed for fingering weight yarn, so if you wanted to use a different yarn than Plied, you most certainly could. We have lots of fingering. I will tell you in Plied, which is, they call it fingering, it's a little bit heavier than that in terms of gauge, or at least the gauge that I got, which is why I used a little more yardage of each color than what the pattern said that I would need. So if you're going to use Plied, make sure to get a little extra yarn, or the yardage is a little extra, so that you don't run out, because it's so graphic you're going to want to get all the way to the end. I did the smaller size. Believe it or not, there's a bigger size of that. But if you don't think green, orange, and brown are the things you want to do, I decided that perhaps you needed to have an alternative. And so I pulled out some Plied North Avenue colors that I thought you might like. This one is Nyaa, Nyaa. See if I can get it. It's kind of a magenta and, let's see, there it is. Magenta and kind of a pale violet. There's a little bit of a blue undertone in it too. So I would use that for the main color. And then I would use charcoal and pink, which is actually more of a peachy pink. And I think that would also make a really pretty kinship. Just a thought for you, just in case you're looking for a project. There you go. Isn't that pretty? Like I say, we have lots of options. If you want help choosing colors, let me know.